Today I wanted to start the video in a vlog style. This video will have a bit of a vlog style. On the truck you see behind me, there is a 60 square meter prefabricated building. Today we will start our work by unloading the material from this truck. Wishing you good business, enjoy watching. Welcome to my channel. We are here with another great video. Today in this place with a beautiful view, as you can see, we will build a 60 square meter prefabricated building. There are mountains in front of us, there are streams below. The place you see as foggy there is the sea. We are in a place with a very beautiful sea view and forest view. Right there in the back is the prefabricated building we built before. Speaking of our building's features, our building is framed with panel and inside it has metal frames. The exterior is made from a material where we used concrete as well. All our materials are here. So let's start building our structure. Enjoy watching. Yes friends, we are on the second day of our building. Today is a rainy day. The installation of our building's door is about to be finished. Our roof has been completed. Our roof was covered with a green material called metal tile. Our windows and doors have been installed. On the exterior facade, the only work remaining is the insulation cladding of the building's exterior. Let's go inside together for the interior. Let me explain the remaining work on the interior facade to you. Yes, inside our building, our ceilings, lights and sockets are currently being installed. Meanwhile, plaster coating is being done. We apply plaster on the beton panel wall and fill the gaps with plaster and smooth it out to give the appearance of a straight wall. What is the purpose of plaster coating? Our clients do not want to see these joints. They want a completely flat wall appearance. We achieve a flat wall look by applying plasterboard and then plastering. The filled state of these gaps with plaster and the perfectly smooth painted finish with plaster. You can see on the screen right now, the electrical installation of our building has been completed in a way to allow for plastering. Our lamp sockets are also currently being installed and we have two rooms. Let me show the sizes of the rooms like this. We have a 14 square meter room here. Right next to me we have another room that is 16 square meters. Right here we have the toilet and bathroom. And we have a living room in the style of an American kitchen, open kitchen. This side will be the kitchen and this side will be the living room. This is a 60 square meter prefabricated house in the open kitchen style. Yes, we are on the third and final day of our building. We have now started our tiling. Let me show you up close. Here's a coating we applied, layered on top of each other. Again, it's a product from Betopen. Friends, after 3 days of work, we have completed the assembly of our prefabricated building. Now our painting team will arrive after us. Our buildings, they will do the painting and we will deliver our building this way. The interior cladding and exterior cladding of our building, electricity, water installation and lamp sockets set, all completed. Our building is 60 square meters and it's a 2+1, 2 rooms, 1 American style kitchen and living room, a building with a toilet and bathroom. The wall height is 22 meters and 80 centimeters. Our walls are made from a carcass panel with insulation material inside and betopan covered inside and outside. Our roof is made of metal tiles that is made of galvanized sheet metal with a tile appearance. Extra thermal insulation material is used in our walls and between the roof. If you liked my video, don't forget to like it below and turn on the bell to be notified of such videos. Goodbye. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications. You can also click on the links on the screen to watch my other prefabricated house videos.